Hello, kids! Today, we're going to learn about two important tenses, present continuous and past continuous. Let's get started. Present continuous. A verb is considered to be in continuous form when it describes an action that is still going on. Since it describes a progressing action, it is also known as the progressive form. The present continuous form is used to discuss an activity that is taking place at the time of speaking and to discuss a decided plan that will take place in the near future. The structure for present continuous is be verb plus ing form. For example, I am studying for the test right now. My mother is going to the mall in a while. Let's solve. Fill in the blanks using the correct present continuous form of the verbs. My mother dash spaghetti for us tonight. My mother is cooking spaghetti for us tonight. My brother dash to Australia this weekend. My brother is going to Australia this weekend. School dash for tomorrow. School is closing for tomorrow. These girls dash to the National Museum. These girls are going to the National Museum. We dash my brother's gift tonight. We are opening my brother's gift tonight. She dash a guitar. She is playing a guitar. I dash my cousins in the evening. I am meeting my cousins in the evening. He dash us with the maths project right now. He is helping us with the maths project right now. Past continuous. The continuous form is also used in the past tense. The past continuous form is used for actions that were taking place at a specific point in the past. When action 1 started in the past and was going on before action 2. For example, I was dancing. I was playing football when it began to rain. Now, let's fill in the blanks using the correct past continuous form of the verbs. I dash when my sister came in. I was playing when my sister came in. While they dash for the school bus, it started to rain. While they were waiting for the school bus, it started to rain. When she dash at the school library, she saw a mouse. When she was working at the school library, she saw a mouse. It dash hard, so we could not go out to play. It was raining hard, so we could not go out to play. My parents dash the table when I came home. My parents were repairing the table when I came home. He dash on the board when lights went off. He was writing on the board when lights went off. Let's fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs from the box. Raja was dash when it started raining. Raja was dancing when it started raining. They dash when I was dash. They were helping me when I was studying. Her friend dash in the park when she met her. Her friend was walking in the park when she met her. I dash so I couldn't answer your video call. I was driving so I couldn't answer your video call. They dash so tired after the party, they dash to sleep. They were feeling so tired after the party, they decided to sleep. The principal dash at 9 a.m. every day, but he dash late today. The principal arrives at 9 a.m. every day, but he was running late today. We dash in the dark forest at night when we dash a scary noise. We were walking in the dark forest at night when we heard a scary noise. Now, let's work on writing the sentence, we run in the park every day in different tenses. Simple present. We run in the park every day. Simple past. We ran in the park every day. Present continuous. We are running in the park every day. Past continuous. We were running in the park every day. Great job, kids! Today we learned how to use the present continuous and past continuous tenses in different situations. See you in the next class. Bye-bye!